In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch views and adjust zoom on the Waze Live map. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Waze Live map website. Once the page loads, give it a moment so the map fully appears on your screen. This is the main viewing area where you can explore roads, traffic conditions, and surrounding locations. If the map takes a few seconds to respond, that is completely normal, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. After the map is visible, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. In that area, you'll find the map display controller icon. This control is what allows you to change how the map is presented. It's a useful feature because different map views can help you understand the area in different ways. The standard view is typically better for reading roads, route lines, and general navigation details, while the satellite view gives you a more realistic look at the terrain and buildings from above. Click the map display controller icon to open the available display options. From there, you can toggle between the standard map view and the satellite view. As you switch back and forth, notice how the map changes instantly. If you are trying to focus on road names and layout, the standard view will usually be the clearest option. If you want a more visual sense of the environment, the satellite view can be more helpful. Once you've selected the view you want, you can fine-tune what you see by adjusting the zoom slider. The zoom slider lets you change your viewing perspective, either bringing the map closer for more detail or pulling back for a wider overview. Move the slider gradually so you can find the level that works best for what you need. Zooming in is helpful when you want to inspect a specific street or intersection, while zooming out gives you a broader picture of the surrounding area. Take a few moments to combine both tools together by switching views and adjusting the zoom until the map looks the way you want. This makes the Waze Live map much easier to work with and helps you quickly choose the most useful perspective for your task. That's it for this walkthrough. You now know how to access the Waze Live map in Chrome, switch between standard and satellite views, and adjust the zoom for a better viewing experience.